The Easyfix DIY range includes a choice of draught excluders to insulate doorways. These door packs comprise each 2 x 2.1 metre lengths for the frame sides and one 914mm length for the frame top. They are attached to the frame so that the door closes against them to form a seal, like so. And full fitting instructions are included with every pack. The lengths are easy to cut to size for non-standard doorways, and full details including pricing, colours and pack sizes are available at secondarydiyglazing.com, where you can buy in bulk packs or single kits. Here is a quick summary of the different types available. Bubble Draught Excluder has a flexible bubble in a rigid holder, available in white or brown plastic and gold or silver coloured aluminium. Blade Draught Excluder has a flexible blade in a rigid holder, available in white, brown or black plastic and gold or silver coloured aluminium. And Bristle Draught Excluder has a short bristle in a rigid holder, available in white plastic and gold or silver coloured aluminium. These are our current stock range, but please do check secondarydiyglazing.com for up-to-date details along with information on Easyfix Draught Excluders for door bottoms, letterboxes, plus foams and bristles for door and window frames.